Welcome! In front of me I have Asus VivoWatch BP and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to unlock the screen on our watch. As you can see, there is this lock icon on the screen. It means that this touch screen is locked, so we need to unlock it, and to unlock it press the side button. And after you unlock the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and to change the watch face you can simply swipe up or down on the current watch face to scroll through the list of watch faces. Oh my bad, right here, up and down. So find the watch face you like, and once you find it, you can just leave it. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.